Hey guys, so I'm gonna teach you how to use a juicer. Also, how to assemble and disassemble it. So keep on watching. So I am using this Koii brand juicer. So una nating ilalagay itong juicer bowl. Then, i-insert natin ang blade basket. Make sure lang na ipupush mo siya all the way. Then, i-insert natin ang pulp container dito sa gilid. Diyan mapupunta ang ating scraps of fruits or vegetables. Next ay ang ating lid cover. So, ilalak lang natin ito by pushing this interlocking safety arm. Hihintayin lang natin mag-click and it's locked. Then, we'll place the juice jug. And lastly, our plunger. So after assembling, we can now cut our apples. So guys, make sure na tatanggalin natin yung core ng apple dahil ayaw natin ng seeds sa ating juicer. So, I have here 2 Fuji apples cut into 4s. So, pwede na natin isaksak ang ating juicer. So, pwede na natin i-on at ilaglag ang ating apple. I did it one by one. Pero, pwede nyo naman pagsama-samahin ng apple kung gusto nyo. So, itong scraps ng apple ay pwede nating scrape mamaya. So, I have extracted 200 ml of apple juice. So, now guys, we're gonna disassemble our juicer. First, make sure it's unplugged. Tatanggalin natin ng plunger. And then, i-unlock natin. Tatanggalin natin ng cover. And scrape off the excess. Sunod ay ang ating blade basket. Medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin, kaya pwede kang gumamit ng metal. Pero don't force it kasi baka masira. So, gently lang hanggang matanggal siya doon sa ilalim. Then, tatanggalin na natin ang ating pulp container and scrape off excess. And lastly, our juicer bowl. Then, ito na ang ating hugasin and our apple scraps. So, 2 Fuji apples make 200 ml apple juice na kasyang-kasya sa isang tall glass. And ready na ang ating apple juice. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe!